I'll make that. Wait, there's so much to do in this game, bro. What?
This Indian dude trying to cap it. Dang, they put the Indian music over.
Yeah, what's up, dude? I'm familiar. What the heck? Oh shoot.
Gotcha.
Oh shoot, there's a monster right there. Run. Dang, bro. I keep thinking this is Sonic. Like, cook some. I'm gonna cook some meal. I'm gonna cook a meal up and chef it up. Got some meat. Oh, butter. Put some cheese in there. Add an egg. That's protein. That's protein. I'll take it. Yeah, I might get it back though. Oh shoot.
Everybody knows.
Let me get shit out. Oh shoot, those guys spotted me, bro. Move my armor up. Gotcha, you know. It's not sword. I'm like, dude, I don't have any reliable weapons, bro. Let's grab on. Yo, I'm gonna take his treasure real quick.
Yes, Lord.
Got this. Yo, that's what we got, bro. We got our own carriage. Now we can like... Yo. Came back with a team.
Can't grab anything when do.
I might have to hit up the... Yo, the monster. I'll go down here. Bro, riding horses is dope, bro. Like, I feel like so majestic, bro. It's over here. jump. Oh shoot, there's some gloom over there, bro. Yo, you see that? Palm, you see that? That's the gloom I'm talking about, bro. That's the gloom I'm talking about right over there. You see it? I don't think they can reach me from here, though.
So what they gonna like, if they hit you...
Oh shoot, they can reach me.
They gonna like...
Wait, hold up. I'm gonna throw some fire. They don't like fire. Oh, that horse is dead. That horse is definitely dead. Yeah, run up. Oh, they don't. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. If they can just recover it themselves. Yeah. Yeah, they can just recover.
Must be up in the back, bro.
I'm hit with a bomb. Oh, that was good. That was good. What else? What else we got? Spam it. Oh shoot! Now they got the boss. Oh shoot! Yo, my master saw that. Was it damaged? I'll put it hands on him, bro. Yo. Yeah. Let's do it, Chico. See? Simple, bro. Set it down, though. I think we gotta, at this point, bro, we gotta do the next area. Because I don't even know the side quest was. I'm gonna have to do that like offline.
I ain't never played any type of Zelda game, bro.
Bro, you gotta get on Zelda, bro.
Nah, man.
My people.
Ooh.
Yeah, bro. This is like
There's
gambling.
no way that.
You can gamble like your life away.
You said what?
He said you can gamble your life away right here. I ain't gonna deal with that because it's all satanic type joint, bro.
That's what I do, bro.
You see this dude, bro? It's like some satanic type joint.
Yeah, it sells souls.
He said, what's the worst that could happen? Heck no. I'll get for weapons and stuff. Yo, watch my backflip.
Yeah, as I'm just living the one thing I told you to be. Yeah, they don't
What's good with you, bro? Yo, this dude tatted up.
DJ, you know I ain't going for that. I mean, it's a play. I ain't gonna say I'm playing. I ain't really about it. I mean, I have to play.
Oh, I gotta go.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and it be getting in more trouble. Girl, we're so
My drip. Change my drip. Got some threads. I gotta Yeah. I gotta stay dripped out, bro. You see this?
Yeah. Yeah, he got a link. Dang.
Nah, that don't match. That don't match. I gotta get the do-rag on. I gotta get the do-rag on. Yo. Yo.
Don't. Get the do-rag. Yo, that's trolling. Oh, I don't get out of hand, dog.
I'm trying to go over here. This is where I need to go. Where's all the birds? We're gonna head up to the we're gonna head over to the sand place. I think that's right there. I think we just gotta find a way in. Just like that way. Got the zoom. Oh shoot, I almost fell. Alright. But I'm gonna go down here. This one down there. That's enough for like those bears. Yeah. That's where we gotta go. If we could reach it, that'd be good for us.
That's why I gotta leave. I was gonna borrow for the week.
There's a shrine down there. I might have to take a stop over there so I can get. Oh shoot! Oh, it's too hot.
I'm about to hit up something to eat.
I hit up that eat.
That's why I gotta leave. Well, about for the week. Easy.
I see a shrine over there. I'm gonna head over there. What's it about?
About for the week. Dang. Easy.
Yeah, you see the bar? That's how much stamina I got. So I'm gonna start dropping.
Yep.
There's like an oasis over there. Yeah, I see a shrine. I mean, at least I made it in. Kakar Bazaar.
Dang, shoes got up.
You said what?
How about
One team stays in if you win. Dude, there's like a bunch of missions I gotta do. A sliding device. Are we playing with skateboards?
I had to up to the beat.
Oh shoot! Yo! Oh shoot! I almost died.
Bro, I had to up to the beat.
Lay down on my grind. I gotta get on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have to control time. I was over there tonight. Shot actually making it right. Alright, so if I can like, I gotta make a contraption. Oh shoot, quick man. Yo, pumping this game, you can like fuse things together. I think it's Sonic, bro. I'm not drifting. Can't reach that. Yeah. I need something. I need you to jump. I need you to. Jump. Okay. Put a boot. I need you to. Alright, so now we can maneuver. Drop it. Alright. Oh shoot, oh shoot. No. I'm not supposed to get up.
Damn. Easily.
You saw that?
Damn. Easily.
Oh, there's a treasure chest over there. Give my money. I need you to. I need you to. Jump.
Damn. Easily. Damn. Easily. Damn. Easily.
No, get back. Turn. I get over there. Wait. This is really dangerous. Oh shoot. You can dodge over there. Alright, so come on, treasure up. I'll take arrows. Oh. No. Light work. I'll take it. It's like 4. I can get into the heart. Yeah, so we're in the Sahara, bro. We have to figure out the lore of this land. Figure out what people I need. Oh shoot, this is kinda dope. I have enough money for it too. It's a habit enough. Sun resistance. But yeah, we're gonna figure out what we need to do in the next one. I'm gonna catch you guys later. But yeah, stay wavy. Peace.